Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test Channel. Get ready as we uncover 2025 Dacia Duster's crash test performance. While this SUV continues to impress with its rugged charm and affordability, its safety features have come under scrutiny. Let's break down how the Duster fared in Euro NCAP's crash tests. In the frontal offset test, the Duster's passenger compartment remained stable, and protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger was rated as good. Dacia also showed that occupants of various sizes and positions would enjoy the same level of protection. However, the driver's chest protection was rated weak, highlighting a potential area for improvement. The full-width rigid barrier test painted a more concerning picture, with marginal protection for the chest of both the driver and rear passenger. However, in the side impact barrier and more severe side pull tests, the Duster redeemed itself, offering good protection for all critical areas and scoring maximum points. One downside is the lack of far side protection, leading to a poor rating in occupant-to-occupant head contact prevention. Nonetheless, the Duster comes equipped with an advanced e-call system, which can contact emergency services in the event of a crash, as well as a system to prevent secondary impacts after a collision. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest crash test results, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the automotive safety.